Here comes Scotty and his little Mazow's car. We're gonna go check out the turning radius on this thing. So there he is in his little capsule. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, do your turning thing.
Yeah, I'll text you.
There he goes. Oh, he's just going around the circle. That's all. He doesn't come up. There he is. He's doing laps. Okay, now he's turning out the 158th and he's going home.